Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can find your referral code on Bitget or your Bitget referral code. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are searching for a referral code or you would like to create a Bitget account, I will leave my Bitget referral link in the description below along with a referral code through which you will get $15 in Bitcoin once you create your Bitget account, and also some trading bonuses. Now let's go ahead and continue. So to get your Bitget referral code, you would need to go to the referrals right here. Now on the referrals tab, you would be able to find three different referral options. So I'm currently using the first one, which in my opinion is best one for both the person that is referring someone and the referred one. Now here, both you and the person that you referred will get $15 in Bitcoin and a mystery box once the person referred goes over 500 USDT in trading volume. And the same would happen once that person that you referred trades more than 50,000 USDT. And the way that you get your referral code is by just clicking invite right here. And here is your referral code. And right below it is your referral link. So that's guys how you can get your referral code on Bitget. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.